Now welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add your NIN to your Cowrywise account. Now let's say you've created an account on Cowrywise and now you want to add your NIN. When you create the account, normally they ask for your BVN, but now you want to add your NIN. How do you do it? From the home page, after launching the app, of course, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, tap on profile, and then scroll all the way down till you see more information here. Tap on it, and then that's not it. Check in. Actually, you're gonna go to security at the top here. Tap on security. You can see your BVN. Now you see your NIN. Tap on NIN, and you put in your NIN. Do not forget the NIN, that's your national identification number. Helps them comply with regulatory requirements and further confirm your identity. So you put in your NIN, put in your date of birth. And if you cannot remember your NIN, simply dial *346# to retrieve it. And once you're done, you verify by clicking on verify. Hope you found this video helpful.